প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, আমি মোহাম্মদ আব্দুল হালিম, সহকারী শিক্ষক, পাটাধকারা উচ্চ বিদ্যালয়। আজ আমি তোমাদেরকে কয়েকটা চিত্র দেখাচ্ছি ডিকশনারি। এই ডিকশনারি সম্পর্কে আমি তোমাদের কাছে একটু পড়াশোনা করাবো। প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, আমি আজ তোমাদেরকে ইউজিং এ ডিকশনারি ফর ক্লাস 8. We know English is not our language. It is a foreign language. We can easily understand the meaning of Bangla or Bengali, but we can't understand English easily. If you want to understand the meaning of English, you have to know the meaning of English words. That is vocabulary. And if you want to know the meaning of that, you have to know about dictionary or lexicon. Already I have written some question about dictionary. Have you come across this type of text before? As a student, you have textbook. Same as, have you come across this type of textbook before? Do you know what the text is about? What do you know about a dictionary? What do you know about a dictionary? What do you find in a dictionary? আমি কিছু কোশ্চেন এখানে ডেভেলপ করার চেষ্টা করছি ফ্রম ইউর টেক্সট বুক ফর ক্লাস 8. তোমাদের ক্লাস 8 এর ইংলিশ টেক্সট বুকের মধ্যে রয়েছে। ডু ইউ ইউজ এ ডিকশনারি? ডু ইউ ইউজ এ ডিকশনারি? Why and how often? Why and how often do you use a dictionary? How can a dictionary help you? How can a dictionary help you? Dear student, a dictionary is a collection of words. A dictionary is a collection of words. Dictionary মানে অনেকগুলো ওয়ার্ডের একত্রীকরণ বা সমষ্টি। A dictionary is a collection of words, or a dictionary is a storehouse of knowledge. It lists the words of a language and gives necessary information about them. It helps you, it gives you a language and gives necessary information about them. It tells us, it shows us, it gives us spelling, pronunciation, meaning, word class. Dear student, to make the meanings of words, clear, example sentence are given in italics. Dear student, example sentence how words are used. It also gives the synonyms and the antonyms of a word. We find words made by adding prefix, suffix to the root words. Part of a speeches are also shown. A verb word is always gives in the simple present tense, but the past form of a verb and the past participle are also shown. Dear student, you can also get various information about what kinds of parts of it that word is. If you open dictionary, you can see a word bears various parts of it, such as noun, verb, adjective, adverb, in a short word, in a short sign. Dear student, if you want to know the meaning of English, you have to know. You have a dictionary, you have to use a dictionary. If you want to know the meaning of English language correctly. Dear student, I give you some information. It is high time in this pandemic period. Use leisure time. You can read thoroughly a dictionary. You have to use it. You can enrich of your vocabulary or meanings, capability, and expressing power in English nicely. Thank you all. Allah Hafiz.